Today I'm going to be applying InstaTrim to the gap between my stove and my countertop. I'm using the 1/2-inch black InstaTrim along with the applicator tool, and then I'll need my tape measure and a pair of scissors. So the first step is going to be measuring the surface that we applied the InstaTrim to. Measure, and they are 2 feet exactly. And then measure out the InstaTrim. I'm gonna move this out of my way. Got my applicator tool ready as well. And we're just gonna peel the back liner off and begin by starting with just pushing and applying a little bit of pressure there in the corner. And then we're gonna grab the tool. And now we can just finish pressing it into place here with the applicator tool. You can see how easy this is. Just applying a little bit of pressure, using my hand to guide the trim where I want it to be. And then you just press it into place. And you can see the clean finished line I have now. No food's gonna fall in between that gap anymore.